Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is just a current energy check-in, a small video for all the zodiac signs. So let's see what you need to hear right now. What you need to hear right now, Scorpios. Wheel of Fortune. Things are changing. It's a time of a change. Okay. So whatever you've done right now, maybe it is a time to reap the rewards for that, or maybe it is something which is definitely a major change is expected over here, or it's coming in. It is sort of destined. Things are making a move here. Let's see what that is. So let's explore this or clarify this Wheel of Fortune for Scorpios. What is this change? What is happening here for Scorpios? Oh, we have the Justice, the King of Cups, the Three of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles, the Magician, the Queen of Cups, the Two of Cups, the Hangman, the Tower, with the Five of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. So Scorpios, something is definitely changing over here. And for this Wheel of Fortune, we have the Justice, the King of Cups, the Three of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Magician, the Queen of Cups, King of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. Okay, so that is a pair definitely. Following it, we have the Two of Cups, Hangman, the Tower. And because of the Tower, I just pulled out three more cards, the Five of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, and the Temperance. Okay. Okay. So what I feel here is that things are definitely changing. You are trying to take a decision over here, and whatever this decision is, it is regarding something which you want to manifest. Okay. You're trying to have a different perspective on the situation and you're just trying to understand as to how to take it forward, but there is something deep within during this change which is causing you some sort of heartbreak or some sort of agony over. There's something which is really breaking your heart, though you are, as you take this decision towards manifestation of something new in your life, something is painful over here. You have to deal with something painful over here while you are making this decision of manifesting something over here with the Magician. So in between, what I feel is, while this change is not easy, there is some pain attached to this change which is coming up in your life. And though you are trying to be very, very intuitive and trying to be emotionally balanced and controlled, and you're trying to listen to your intuition because you feel that that is the right way to move forward, but deep within, even though you feel emotionally controlled and you are trying to do that, deep within your heart is just screaming with pain. Okay, there is a lot of pain and a lot of agony, even if you are trying to hide it behind your emotional composure over here, because you feel that this is the right decision. And here with the Seven of Pentacles, the Magician, you are definitely trying to nurture something. You have invested in something and you really want the results of that, and that is what you are trying to manifest. And what I feel here is, with the King of Cups and the Queen of Cups, with this Two of Cups, definitely there is a relationship also over here. There is a relationship over here, and which is something which is important for you. Okay, and one more thing which I'm getting here is that this relationship comes to a pause unexpectedly for some reason, and you feel ignored and rejected. So while this situation or this relationship is on hold, you feel as if you feel ignored, you feel rejected also, you feel really upset about it. But then there is an unexpected shift over here. After the Hangman, an unexpected shift is over here, that the energy of you feeling upset because of the situation not moving forward makes perhaps an abrupt change, because it is being followed here by the Nine of Cups and the Temperance. So what I feel here is that you feeling upset and ignored and rejected and really upset, or you feel the loss of something over here, that is temporary, because the balance perhaps is immediately being restored and you are getting your wish fulfillment. Okay, so this is the the energy of you feeling the loss of something doesn't seem to be a very long term type of a thing. Unexpectedly there will be a shift, there is a change which restores the balance, and you feel happy, and you feel as if your wishes have been fulfilled. So uh, even though the situation was stuck, unexpectedly it perhaps moves forward, or things are back on track. That's what I feel here. So the change which is coming up here is the decision which you are trying to make to manifest something new and things getting back on track, even if they were not at some point in time. Something like that. So Scorpios, I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.